Let's understand, how does misuse of antibiotics accelerate antimicrobial resistance, or AMR? Misuse of antibiotics, including overuse, inappropriate prescribing, incomplete courses, and use in non-bacterial infections, accelerates antimicrobial resistance by creating strong selective pressure that favors the survival and proliferation of resistant microorganisms. Scientific and molecular mechanisms: selective pressure and survival of resistant strains. When antibiotics are misused, susceptible bacteria are killed, but bacteria with resistance mutations or genes survive and multiply. This selective pressure rapidly increases the proportion of resistant bacteria in the population. Genetic mutations. Bacteria can spontaneously develop mutations in genes encoding antibiotic targets or regulatory proteins. These mutations may alter the drug's binding site, such as ribosomal proteins or enzymes, reducing antibiotic efficacy. Change membrane permeability, decreasing drug uptake. Upregulate efflux pumps that actively expel antibiotics from the cell. Horizontal gene transfer, or HGT for short, is a fascinating process. Misuse of antibiotics fosters environments where bacteria can exchange resistance genes via conjugation, is the transfer of plasmids carrying resistance genes between bacteria. Transformation involves the uptake of free DNA from the environment. Transduction, bacteriophage-mediated gene transfer. Enzymatic inactivation and modification. Bacteria may acquire or upregulate enzymes that destroy antibiotics, for example, B-lactamases hydrolyzing penicillins. Chemically modify antibiotics, such as through acetylation, phosphorylation, or adenylation, rendering them ineffective. Misuse of antibiotics can promote biofilm development, where bacteria are protected from antibiotics and immune responses, facilitating persistent infections and resistance. Bacteria can bypass inhibited pathways or upregulate alternative metabolic routes, reducing the impact of antibiotics. Misuse of antibiotics accelerates antimicrobial resistance by enabling bacteria to survive, adapt, and share resistance mechanisms at the molecular level. This results in infections that are harder to treat and increases the risk of widespread, untreatable bacterial diseases. I hope you have liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.